That bitch got big. And he's trying to roll his windows up.
That big keeps coming this way.
Now, take a look at this incredible scene from the countryside of Sao Paulo, Brazil, where a massive tornado-like formation looms over the sky. A powerful earthquake strikes Nepal, causing the streets to shake violently. Vehicles lose balance, and chaos unfolds, capturing the raw force of nature in real time. Now, witness this stunning moment from Iceland. This breathtaking footage from northern Pakistan showcases a massive landslide, as a torrent of debris and dust crashes down the mountainside with immense force. Nature's raw power is both mesmerizing and terrifying. Imagine witnessing this disaster unfold up close. Look at this breathtaking sight. Massive clouds hovering over the mountaintop, drifting gracefully as if embracing the peak. Their slow, fluid motion creates a mesmerizing moment, as if the earth and sky are uniting in perfect harmony. And check out this astonishing phenomenon. On one side of the road, heavy rain pours down, while the other side remains completely dry, a striking display of nature's unpredictability. Dramatic landslide sends debris crashing onto the road, engulfing cars in its path. The unstable mountainside gives way, demonstrating the raw power of nature. Meanwhile, in Norway, an ice dam unexpectedly gives way, releasing a powerful surge of water and ice that carves through the frozen landscape, a breathtaking reminder of nature's force. Nature's unpredictability strikes again. In the busy streets of China, an unusual sight leaves locals in shock. Thick foam blankets the roads. Is this a natural occurrence or the result of human activity? A home security camera captures a rare and stunning sight, a meteor blazing across the sky before crashing to Earth, a spectacular display of nature's untamed power.
Look at that! Holy crap! Oh my god!
Get inside! Get inside!
Shut down the door! Get in there!
Get T, going.
Come on! Hey, get in here!
Go on, get in back.
No! Holy no! Oh! Oh! Oh, that's a wave. Oh, that's a wave. Oh, buddy. Oh my god! Oh my god!
Oh my god!
Watch this incredible scene as a river of ice slowly moves toward the house. A unique display of nature's power and beauty.
How is it doing this?
Because the water's moving. The lake opened up, see? So the water with the wind is pushing, the water's pushing all this up here. Look at it. You know how long it's going to take to melt over?
It sounds like a train.
Captured in Pakistan, this powerful flash flood thunders through the valley, carrying rocks and debris, a stunning demonstration of nature's relentless force. Watch as massive hailstones pour down in Carolina during a wedding ceremony, turning a peaceful outdoor setting into chaos. Cars, tables, and the ground are pounded by these icy blasts, showing just how unpredictable nature can be.
Wow, those are visibly pink. Holy moly. Oh my god, look over here. Holy. That is nuts.
Experience the amazing northern lights as they sweep across the Alaskan sky, lighting it up with dazzling greens and purples.
Look at this.
A breathtaking spectacle of nature's magic.
Oh my god.
Witness this astonishing scene from Iceland, where a worker bravely operates an excavator in an attempt to halt the relentless flow of lava, a remarkable display of human resilience against nature's fiery power. Let me know if you need any tweaks.
Witness this incredible scene where a water main break in Dearborn Heights turned cars into frozen sculptures. A breathtaking display of nature's icy power.
Yallah, yallah. Dulu kau lihat mana Daniel?
Meet the mesmerizing Malby viridis, also known as the hooded nudibranch. This transparent marvel glides effortlessly along the ocean floor, a stunning example of nature's intricate design.
Olha isso. Olha isso, gente. Acabou com toda a minha força, toda a minha energia. Meu pai amado.
Watches 10,000 ducks revolutionize rice farming. These incredible birds serve as natural pest controllers.
Oh no.
No way.
So my son and I are driving, and this is what we see in the sky. Like, look at those colors. That is so bright.
Behold this mesmerizing phenomenon in the sky. A vibrant fire rainbow lights up the clouds, creating a surreal and captivating display of nature's brilliance.
So bright in colors. So cool.
Olha se tiver, gente. Olha que...
Olha o vídeo, ó.
Amor, olha onde que cai. Olha ali. Você não pode ficar ali não, gente. Olha que horror.
Take a look at this breathtaking sight. Molten lava flows fiercely from a volcanic eruption, reshaping the land and revealing Earth's raw, unstoppable power. Watch this incredible scene from Iceland, where a worker uses an excavator to try and stop the flow of lava. A remarkable display of human determination against nature's fiery force.
Holy look at that, bro. Have a look at it. Look at that. Oh, shit.
My time to shine. Hello. Hi.
Take a look at this incredible 820-year-old lime tree in the Czech Republic. Its massive branches are supported with poles to preserve its ancient beauty. Watch as a powerful flood in Brazil completely destroys a wooden bridge over the Rio Branco River.
Qual foi a ponte?
Pode passar pra mim.
Oh my god, this storm is absolutely terrifying, tearing through everything in its path with unstoppable power, a true force of nature's wrath.
Rolou uma explosão bem fortinha agora. Tá caindo as pedras. Olha lá. Nossa Senhora.
Look at this amazing snow wall naturally formed by winds. This incredible dust devil twists and turns, creating a mesmerizing display of nature's power in the middle of a construction site. Truly captivating. An intense wildfire sweeps through California, painting the sky with fiery hues and showcasing nature's raw power. Take a look at this incredible sight, a sub-sun. This mesmerizing phenomenon happens when sunlight reflects off tiny, flat ice crystals in the atmosphere, creating what looks like a glowing gateway in the sky. These cows had a close call with nature's fury, narrowly escaping a sudden rock slide. watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more amazing moments from around the world. See you in the next video.
Around New Zealand, home to the most diverse seabird community in the world.